Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove a modifier from an existing array. Here we have a basic loft with a hexagonal cladding system. I'll open Para. I have a surface controller here, and I have another surface controller with a UVW sub-object. So I'm going to highlight my original Para node and expand its properties. And the first thing I'll want to do is to select the Para node, and I'll right-click on Object, and that'll select the first object in the array, essentially the driver of the geometry. And then I'll add a modifier. So with this selected, I'll go to the modify list. I'll just add a shell. The parameters are there. And then I'll update the system. I'll go up to Reload Properties. And just hit Yes. Now you can see that the array now has a thickness to it. So from here, what I want to do is, also you can see that the all the shell parameters have been added to the Para node. So from here, if I wanted to add a random controller, I can go to the outer amount, highlight that. I can click here to add an additional controller. I'll add a random controller. Double click to add. Zoom out. Select the random controller node and then set the parameters. So from here, update it. As you can see, it then updates the array, and I can shift these and it will update as well. Okay, so that's adding a modifier to an existing array. If I'd like to remove it, I'm going to come back and select the node, but I can't see the object because the random controller is still highlighted. So what I'll need to do is simply right-click, uncheck all. The node is selected. Right-click on the original object. Go back to my modifier list, select shell, delete it, and then come back here and then reload the properties. You're about to array an editable mesh. I hit yes, and this warning pops up because it's now looking for the shell modifier within the node, but it's no longer there because we've removed it. So I'll select OK, and we are back to our original geometry.